write fractions as sums. Today the boys and girls will be writing addition problems using fractions. Let's have a look. First thing we need to do is understand what a unit fraction is. A unit fraction is any fraction whose numerator is 1, such as 1/2, 1/5, 1/12, or 1/100th. Those are unit fractions. Some of the work the boys and girls will be doing will ask for a sum, such as 4/5, to be a sum of unit fractions. And if we need to use only unit fractions, well, in this case, since we're dealing with fifths, all of our denominators will be fifths. So this would be 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 equals 4/5. This would be a sum of unit fractions. Some of our problems will ask the boys and girls for 3 different ways of reaching a sum. For instance, 8/8. So we're going to need to come up with 3 addition problems that equal 8/8. Let's try, we could do all unit fractions again. That would be easy. 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. We do this 8 times. That would be one way to equal 8/8. Another way might be, say, 5/8 plus 3/8. That would equal 8/8. And yet another way, put it up here, we could do 6/8 plus 2/8. There's lots of different ways we could do that. What about 5/9? Can we think of any ways to create 5/9? Well, we could do 1/9 plus 1/9 plus 1/9 plus 1/9 plus 1/9. That would be one way. Another way would be, say, 1/9 plus 1/9 plus 3/9. And yet another way would be 3/9 plus 2/9 equals 5/9. So, to write fractions as sums, the boys and girls need to just remember that our denominators will always be the same. We can only add fractions when the denominators are the same. And then the numerators have to add up to the numerator of the given sum. If we're asked to use unit fractions are the fractions that have a numerator of 1. This is how we write fractions as sums in 4th grade.